दाबोळेच्या प्रभू वायलेटा कॉम्प्लेक्सात रावपी नागरिकांक फाटले कांय दीस जाले डायरिया दुयेंसाक लागून हुसक्यात आसा। दूषित उदकाक लागून तांच्या भलायकेक धोको निर्माण जाला। ह्या विशीं नागरिकांनी शुक्राराक गोंय विधार आयोगाकडे याचिका दाखल केली। उदकाचो उणो दर्जो आनी अनियमीत पुरवण हाका लागून डायरिया आनी हेर दुयेंसांची प्रकरणां सामकार आयल्या। हाका लागून 180 ते 300 लोकांचेर तांचो परिणाम जाला, अशेंय तांणी सांगलें।
I'm a resident of Prabhu Violetta, and related to our water related issue, we have just filed the petition to the Human Rights Commission, and let's see now. We are waiting for our issues get resolved, and we are hoping so we can get our basic needs which we are asking. Let's wait.
So, what are your demands basically, which is submitted in the petition?
We are in crisis situation. We are not getting water. We don't have water to drink. Our STP plants are not working. Now there are water cuts. We are not getting drinking water. People are having diarrhea in the society. They are not getting water continuously. So many issues are there. So for that reason we have done this. So now we are waiting for their